In our project journey, leveraging low-code tools, particularly Google Slides, significantly enhanced our efficiency, creativity, and accessibility throughout the creation process. By utilizing Google Slides, we streamlined website development, allowing us to focus more on collecting educational resources and managing various projects rather than technical intricacies. The intuitive interface and collaborative features of Google Slides empowered our team to design visually appealing pages with rich multimedia content seamlessly. Moreover, the accessibility of Google Slides made website management inclusive, enabling anyone to contribute and edit resources without requiring complex programming knowledge. Overall, the incorporation of low-code tools like Google Slides has been instrumental in transforming our project into a comprehensive educational platform while enhancing efficiency, fostering creativity, and promoting accessibility for all team members involved.
In our 5-minute video, we aim to showcase how the utilization of low-code tools has not only streamlined our creation process but also sparked creativity and improved accessibility for our project, Mind Expanders. Introduction. Welcome to our exploration of how low-code tools have transformed the landscape of educational platforms. Today, we're diving into the journey of Mind Expanders and unveiling the pivotal role that low-code tools, particularly Google Slides, have played in enhancing our project's efficiency, creativity, and accessibility. Efficiency. With traditional methods, the process of developing and updating our educational platform was often time-consuming and labor-intensive. However, the integration of low-code tools like Google Slides revolutionized our workflow. By providing an intuitive interface and eliminating the need for extensive coding, Google Slides empowered our team to swiftly create and update pages on our website. Tasks that once took hours or days to complete can now be accomplished in minutes, allowing us to allocate more time and resources to curating high-quality educational content. Creativity. Creativity is at the heart of Mind Expanders, and low-code tools have amplified our ability to innovate and engage our audience. Through Google Slides, we have the freedom to experiment with various design elements, layouts, and multimedia content. Whether it's crafting visually stunning slides or incorporating interactive features, Google Slides provides us with the flexibility to bring our creative vision to life. This newfound creative freedom has not only enhanced the aesthetics of our platform but has also captivated and inspired our users, fostering a deeper connection to the educational material. Accessibility. Accessibility is a core principle of our project, and low-code tools have been instrumental in ensuring that our platform is inclusive and user-friendly for all. With Google Slides, we have democratized the website creation process, making it accessible to individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. The collaborative nature of Google Slides allows team members and contributors to seamlessly collaborate on content creation and updates, regardless of their location or background. Additionally, the simplicity of Google Slides means that users can easily navigate our platform and access educational resources without encountering barriers or complexities. Collaborative features. One of the most powerful aspects of Google Slides is its collaborative features, which allow anyone to contribute and edit resources with no complex coding knowledge required. This open-source approach fosters a community-driven environment where team members can collaborate in real time, share ideas, and collectively improve the platform's content and functionality. By leveraging these collaborative features, we've been able to harness the collective expertise of our team and create a platform that truly reflects the needs and preferences of our users. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of low-code tools, particularly Google Slides, has been transformative for our project, Mind Expanders. By enhancing efficiency, sparking creativity, and improving accessibility, these tools have enabled us to create a dynamic and impactful educational platform that empowers learners worldwide. As we continue on our journey, we remain committed to leveraging the power of low-code tools to innovate and inspire in the field of education. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of discovery and transformation.